Jeff Keenan here with the ShockFlo 32 amp portable EV charger. So about the ShockFlo. So this is the portable EV charger. It does come with a mounting kit so you can mount it to the wall for a more permanent installation. And then it has a 1450 plug. So if you have a 50 amp outlet in your garage, specifically for EV charger, or maybe you have a dryer with a 1450, this is gonna work good for you. Maybe you have another location that you're at temporarily, another house, a friend's house, where you want to take this with you to charge on the road. The charger came nicely packaged in this box, and it also came with this nice carrying case. So this you'll see for a lot of mobile EV chargers. Once you open the case, everything's nicely bubble wrapped, and everything was in great shape. Now, here's a better look at the 1450. Look, it's a heavy-duty plug. It looks really good. And here's the charging cable, the J1772. It looks really sturdy again. Now the handle is one of the most important parts of a charger. The J1772 has this latch mechanism that if it gets broken, your charger is not going to work. This one's protected pretty well, and the handle feels substantial. I'm going to compare it to one of the best charge handles, the ChargePoint Home Flex. It's pretty similar. The ChargePoint design looks almost the same. It's a little bit heavier, but very similar design, which is good. Here it is in the front of a 22 Tesla Model 3 Performance with heat pump. Fits in there perfectly. That comes with the charger. So why would you need a second mobile charger if your Tesla or Rivian already comes with one? Well, let's say you have a vacation house or a friend's house that you're at a lot, and you want to make it a semi-permanent install, but you don't want to install a charger, and they have a 1450 in the garage. You'd use this bracket. So that's a great use case for this mobile charger. So if you have a house that has maybe a dryer in the garage, this is also a great type of charger to use. Okay, so I just connected it to my 40 amp range outlet. You can see the nice color display in here. It's reading 32 amps, 248 volts, 0 amps. Okay, now look at this. It has this delay function where if you want to charge in a certain time, so you can do up to 12 hours delay, and then it'll count down before it starts to charge. Pretty nice. You don't have to set a clock on it. I like this idea. And then a real simple control for current output. So you can bring it down to as low as 10 amps. I'm gonna leave it at 32 amps because again, this is a 40 amp circuit with a 1450 plug on it. 80% is 32 amps. So the cord on the ShockFlo is 20 feet long. I've done this before with a Tesla mobile connector, and it reaches about the same distance. Installed the Tesla J1772 adapter, and I'm going to plug it in and see what happens. So I get a blue light flashing, green light starts right away, and the car's charging. I wanted to talk about the cord. It's nice and soft and thick, and it hasn't heated up at all, just warm to the touch during charging. So I like the cord design there. That's also a very important part of a mobile charger. Okay, so I just plugged it into the Tesla using the J1772 adapter, and the display on the charger is reading charging. 244 volts, 32 amps, 7.8 kilowatts. Okay, so I started charging at 66%. I'm gonna leave it charging until 80% because that's about how much people would use in a day. Now, this should take, I would say, about 2 hours. So it's saying 1 hour, 25 minutes remaining. The car is charging at 32 amps, 240 volts, and 8 kilowatts, and there have been no errors. Okay, I'm looking at the Tesla app now, and we're at 80%, still charging at 70 kilowatts. No problems yet. 55 minutes left to charge. Okay, so there you go. Charging just completed. There are no errors. It took about 2 hours to go from 66 to 80%. There you go. There's the ShockFlo 32 amp portable EV charger. I'll put a link to it below in the comments. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos on EVs, tech products, and Wi-Fi.